is that you guys did an amazing job, all of you, so let's have you join on the
It was a healthy learning experience, and inshallah, I look forward to working with them.
Definitely.
Each one of them.
Yeah, okay. And Alina, yes.
I am pretty impressed by the fact that, we tried our level best to throw them off with our questions, but they didn't stop saying things and they were just continuing.
So that will actually continue some really good.
One thing I will say, and I'm going to say this to everybody at large, when you go into a argument or when you go to do a problem question or anything of the sort, remember what your question is, all right? Don't waffle on facts. Don't get hung up on facts, because that's not what you're there to determine. This was a court of appeals case, which means the facts have already been determined in the preliminary district level or the trial court level. The facts have been determined. Then,
Shahzad. Dad, first of all, tell you one thing. You actually want to be a lawyer?
Now he does. In the morning he's decided he wants to.
You really want to do that? Go for the defense. Defense counsel banna tum amazing. Dekho, don't be so much confused about things. So yeah, keep it clear. Keep it clear here and you're good to go.
Serena, good job, miss. Very well done. I was particularly harsh on you. I know that. And no, I know, because I've been in that position before. Honestly, it just came from a place of wanting to teach you that this is step one. Aage, inshallah, if you pursue a degree in law and if you go for mooting further down the line, the questions will only get harder. The questions will get harder, the judges will get tougher, and there will be no mercy shown. So you did really well, because I know I was cruel. Alright?
आपको ट्रायल कोर्ट को बताया नहीं बताया, बात ही खत्म. So never do that. और फैक्ट्स आप नए नहीं लेके आए, जो कि जजमेंट्स, एविडेंस एंड जो प्लीडिंग्स, दैट्स इट. इसके बाहर आप कुछ ना देखें एट द केस ऑफ एट द स्टेज ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट लेवल. So that's it. Well done, everyone.
For her hard work, her effort that she's put in. Do all of you agree with that? Yes. As I said this morning, the show started off very well, because I was really amazed that one of the judges also said that you all were dressed up, mashallah, very nicely, very smartly early on a Saturday morning, and it really looked well. And it started off the occasion like a very formal one. You see, that makes a very big difference, right? And for the first time, having a moot like this, and you being, as the judges also said, that it's the first time you've done it, you've done an awesome job.
Hello everyone. So the first Scepter Law Moot Court Competition 2020 has ended. It was indeed a pleasure hosting one. The students, they were amazing. They have put in a lot of effort in whatever they did. They were amazing done memorials, which were both for the respondent teams and the appellant teams. All of them properly color-coded, properly submitted and on time. Apart from that, the teams and their arguments were more than remarkable. The experience, especially with respect to AS level students who are performing at such a higher level, while they face many practicing litigants, those who are practicing lawyers in both the city court and also the high court, was in fact commendable. So we would like to congratulate all of the winners who've actually won the awards today, and also to those who were not able to bag an award, but at least became a part of that mooting competition, and I'm sure they learned a lot. So I would just like to say that thank you everyone, and many congratulations to those who won, and for the others, better luck next time. Inshallah, we shall see you in court. very soon again. Thank you.